Have you been feeling spiritually drained lately? Like the closer you get to God, the harder the battle becomes? The Bible says in Ephesians 6:12 that we are fighting a spiritual battle. Here are 3 signs you may be under spiritual attack. First, you lose your desire for God. Prayer feels hard. Reading the Bible feels empty. Second, temptation suddenly becomes stronger. Old sins and struggles start attacking again. Third, fear and discouragement fill your mind. You begin believing lies like God has abandoned me. But remember this, 2 Timothy 1 verse 7 says God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Stay close to Jesus. Pray, read the Word, fight with faith, because through Christ you already have victory. Comment, Jesus is my victory.